In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a domain in Hostinger Hosting. If you no longer want to keep a domain active in your Hostinger account, the process is actually very simple. In most cases, what you'll be doing is turning off the automatic renewal so the domain is not renewed again. Once the current registration period ends, the domain will expire and be removed from your active services automatically. To begin, log in to your Hostinger account. After you're inside the dashboard, look for the Domains section. This is where all of the domains connected to your account are listed, and it's the area you'll use to manage renewal settings. Once you open the Domains section, find the domain you want to remove and click Manage. This will open the settings and controls for that specific domain. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct domain, especially if you manage more than one, because changes made here will affect that exact subscription. Inside the management area, look for the Auto Renew option. If it is currently turned on, toggle it off. Disabling Auto Renew means Hostinger will not charge you again for the next registration period, and the domain will not be renewed automatically. After turning Auto Renew off, you may see a confirmation option that says Keep your subscription. Click that option to confirm your choice. This tells the system that you want to keep the domain only until the current paid period ends, without extending it further. At that point, there's nothing else you need to do. The domain will remain active until it reaches its expiration date. Once it expires, it will be automatically deleted from your active hosting services instead of renewing again. One important thing to understand is that turning off Auto Renew does not delete the domain immediately. It simply stops future renewal. So if you're expecting the domain to disappear right away, keep in mind that it will stay available until the subscription period is over. It's also a good idea to double-check whether the domain is connected to a live website, business email, or any other service before you let it expire. Once it is no longer active, those connected services may stop working as well. And that's it. That's how to delete a domain in Hostinger Hosting, by disabling Auto Renew and allowing the subscription to expire naturally.